How to find Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 and 10. So let's start it. First of all, minimize this and you click on search button. Then right here network status and just you click on this and setting is opened. Then click on advanced network setting. This is connected your device by Wi-Fi, and click on advanced network setting and then click on network and sharing center. The settings are open. Then you can see here your Wi-Fi connection name is here. Then you click on this. Then you can see here this is. Then you can click on wireless properties. You can see here and connection and security. Then click on security tab. You can see here network security key and security type. So network security key, this is password, and you click on show character checkbox. Then you can see here password is appear on this tab. So this is how to find your Wi-Fi password. So subscribe this channel and thanks for watching this video. Click on OK.